Hi everybody, this is Diana from SyS y Salado, and in this video we're going to make a second version of Arequipe or dulce de leche. In a previous video I showed you how to make it from scratch by cooking whole milk and sugar, but in this video we're just going to boil a can of condensed milk for about 3 to 4 hours until we get Arequipe. And remember that the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below the video. So here we have a can of condensed milk. We're going to remove the label and then we're going to place it in a large pot. When we place it in the pot, we're going to do it sideways and then we're going to cover it completely with water. And every 30 minutes, we're going to verify the level of water, and if it needs more water, we're going to go ahead and add it. We're going to cover the pot, bring it to a boil on high heat, and once it's boiling, we're going to reduce the heat and let it cook for about 3 to 4 hours on a slow simmer. The longer you leave it cooking, the darker the color it's going to get. Then we're going to carefully remove it from the hot water, and we're going to let this can cool completely. What I'd like to do is leave mine on the counter overnight. Then the next day, I just open the can with a can opener, and that's all it takes. And there you have it, another version on how to make arequipe or dulce de leche by cooking a can of condensed milk. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho!